Hello friends, and welcome back to this Next.js and Contentful tutorial series. In the previous videos we created this beautiful job board, and over the last couple of videos we have been adding the final touches. And one good final touch, the real final touch, will be to make sure that the 404 page is more on brand first of all, and also display a bit more information and potentially some links to redirect the user to give just that beautiful user experience and allow the user to potentially navigate back to the home page if he for some reason or another landed on a page that doesn't exist, like in this case here, right? So it's a page that doesn't exist at all. So let's add a custom 404 page, and it's very easy to do in Next.js, and that's what we're going to do in this video. So without further ado, let's jump into the VS Code editor. Okay, so I've already prepared the component for this. I'm going to add, as you know, a very thin layer here at the page level, and to add 404 pages in Next.js is just a matter of adding a page called 404 like this. Okay, and very simply after that what we do is I'm just going to scaffold component like this, and let's call this page not found. Okay, let's call this page not found, and let's visit that page. Let's refresh. You see, now it says 404, but obviously that's not enough. Okay, we are perfectionists. So let's add a component that I've prepared for you already called page not found component. Okay, let's create that here. Page not found. Oops. Click again. Page not found JSX. And again, you see this recurring pattern. We like to keep our pages very thin, and we do the bulk of the work in our components, in our reusable component, because if for whatever reason we decide one day to use something else than Next.js, then all these components are very usable, reusable. They are completely agnostic of the fact that we're using Next.js under the hood, which is an awesome thing. So now let's import our component here, but obviously they have the same name, so I'm going to call this page not found component here, as I'm using it here, and I import it like this. Okay, and I'm just going to return it here like this. Very simple page not found component. And I mean, it's very simple. It's just Tailwind, basic Tailwind stuff. So let's see how it looks. Very simple. Page not found. Go back home. Okay. Went to the beautiful user experience rather than just displaying something that is not very interesting. So here they can click on contact us, or go back home. Okay, and that's basically what we want. We want them to eventually go back home or contact us. And with that, we have reached the end of the final touches. Okay, in the next video, which is going to be the next two videos, we're going to look at, which are going to be the two final videos of this series. We're going to look at webhooks in Contentful. So Contentful has webhooks. So we're going to see how to create those and what they are used for, and how we can make advantage of them and make sure that we can rebuild our site. And you see it has some integration with Netlify and Vercel, which we are using, and make sure that our site is redeployed every time a content changes. Okay, so that's what we're going to see in the next two videos, and that will be the end of the tutorial series. So see you in the next one. I hope you're enjoying this so far, and see you soon. Bye.